Today you're going to learn how to make a true French omelet, that classic dish that is incredibly delicate, creamy on the inside, smooth on the outside, and boasts a texture so tender it practically melts in your mouth. You'll also discover how to create 2 different presentations for it. For our first option, the most classic one, we start by selecting large eggs with rich, deep yellow yolks. These will ensure our omelet has that vibrant, appetizing color. Place the eggs on your countertop and crack them, one by one, carefully into a bowl.
Lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillow.
Now, using a fork or a whisk, begin beating the eggs gently.
Loving on me, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me.
Add 3 pinches of salt, 1 for each egg, along with some freshly ground pepper. If you'd like to add a unique twist, you can also incorporate mozzarella cheese and chopped parsley, though these ingredients are entirely optional. Mix everything again using circular motions until all the ingredients are completely blended. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and help us grow. Thank you. Turn on a medium-sized burner and set the heat to low. This is precisely the secret to a great omelet: gentle, gradual cooking, which preserves the egg's inherent creaminess. Grab a non-stick frying pan and place it over the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, and, using a silicone spatula, gently stir the butter until it has completely melted and begins to foam slightly. With the pan now greased and warm, though not excessively hot, pour the beaten egg mixture in all at once, right into the center. Immediately, using your silicone spatula, begin stirring the eggs with continuous circular motions, working from the edges toward the center, and then from the center back out to the edges, creating a sort of gentle swirl within the pan. This constant movement prevents the eggs from cooking unevenly and ensures that the final texture is extremely soft, almost like a cloud. Continue stirring constantly over low heat until you notice that the mixture has begun to thicken, yet remains quite moist on the surface. At this point, it is time to stop stirring and let the residual heat take over. Now, using a spatula, gently loosen the edges of the omelet, starting from the thinnest part, and carefully fold it over onto itself, creating a crescent shape. Don't worry about making perfect folds. The charm of an omelet lies precisely in its slightly imperfect, artisanal appearance. The interior texture should remain moist and creamy, almost custard-like.
Lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next.
Turn off the heat and very carefully, slide the omelet directly from the pan onto a preheated plate. This will help maintain its perfect temperature and texture right up until the moment you serve it. If you wish, sprinkle a little more chopped fresh parsley or a drizzle of melted butter over the top to accentuate the aroma and add a sophisticated visual touch.
want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Now, let's move on to a different method for making our French omelet. At this stage, we proceed in exactly the same way as we did in our first option.
Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away.
The only difference lies in the movements of the silicone spatula. The movements are strictly circular and continuous, causing the omelet to take on a flour-like shape and ensuring that the final texture is incredibly soft.
Lying next to me, yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body.
The buttery flavor, the tenderness of the eggs, and the creamy texture transform a simple recipe into something truly sophisticated. What is most impressive is realizing how just a few ingredients can create such an elegant culinary experience when the technique is executed correctly. And now that you've mastered the key details of this classic technique, you'll be able to recreate an omelet worthy of the finest French cafés right in your own home. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who also love a good recipe. Feel free to leave your questions and recipe requests in the comments section. We can't wait to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our practical and delicious recipes. Thanks for being a part of our channel.